Hello everybody, welcome to Crafter's Story. It's Celeste here, and I'm just doing a quick reminder to everybody that I'm doing a giveaway. It is open until January 21st, so 10 days from today. I will be doing the drawing for that 44-piece stationery kit. I did do a video on this, and I will put a link to that video in the description box below. So if you are still interested, please just leave a comment in that video, not this one, but in the original video where I show the whole kit, and your comment acts as an entry to that giveaway. But I wanted to show you something that I've been doing with one of the things that is in that kit, and there are two coloring in pages. This is one of them, and this is one of them. So I played around with this coloring in page today, and I just used my color markers. I have some ink markers that I used to color in this page, so you can see how it went from bland black and white, pretty much doesn't look like much but it has so much potential, to this incredibly beautiful and very colorful piece of artwork. And of course, as you can see, I added a lot to the background, some circles, some lines, and I colored those in as well to completely fill the space. And I have a quick trick for you. If you are using markers and not pencil crayons, as with most coloring in pages, there will be a bleed to the back. And if you're worried about that bleed touching the surface that you're working on, first put a layer of Mod Podge on the back of your coloring in page prior to doing any color, adding any of your ink markers or Sharpies, whatever it is, or acrylic pens. I don't think acrylic pens will bleed, but I'm almost guarantee that any ink marker is going to bleed through. Mine obviously did. I used ink markers. So I put a layer of Mod Podge at the back, and once it was dry, I knew that there was that plastic film there that wasn't going to transfer to my surface when I started coloring. So now that I'm done with my coloring, look at the side-by-side. Oh, let me go down a bit. The side-by-side, you can see, is quite different. So it makes quite an impactful piece of art once you've put your color down. And then I took that piece of art and I reduced it on my printer. Most printers will allow you to drop the percentage of a copy of whatever it is that you're trying to copy, and you can then make an ATC out of that, or this could be a card topper, or it can be a tag. You might even want to frame this as a piece of art. So lots of possibilities from just this one coloring in page that's in that kit that you can win if you go and have a look at that other video. Please look at the link below. And if you are not the winner, unfortunately, on January 31st, this is available on my Etsy store, and everything on my Etsy store is always with free shipping. So I will put the link for my Etsy store is always in my description box, but you can go and have a look at that there. So I thought, just a quick reminder, one more thing that I wanted to add. These lines, you can see that so those lines and all the circles that I added, I put those in with the fine line marker that also comes with that kit. So you guys go and have lots of fun with it, I hope. And yeah, it was just a quick 10-day reminder that there's that giveaway going. And if you haven't already entered, I'd be delighted if you did and put yourself in the running for that 44-piece stationery kit. Okie dokie. Well, thank you so much for popping around, saying hi, and I'll see you next time.